How to add auto captions in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and let me show you how to do that easily. So firstly, we need to import our video. We'd like to add our captions too, for example, this one here. Then we need to move it on our timeline. As you can see, I have the text here. I'll show you I'm like solving one of the problems with CapCut here. So in order to add the captions, we need to select our video. Go to text in the left top corner, go to auto caption, select our language here, or we can select the detect language. To make it easier, I'm going to select English. After that, enable clear current captions and then click on generate. In a few seconds, everything will be done and we'll get our captions. But after that, I personally recommend you to interact with them. So to manage their style, as you can see, they were all selected. So now we can increase the size, we can add some style here, we can add the animation of how they will be added. And as you can see, pretty easy. After that, we can click somewhere and everything was added to our project. Hope this video helpful. Goodbye.